Hello YouTube, Twitter, X, world, I hope you are okay wherever you are. So the Iranian president, Raisi, is killed in a helicopter crash. Still needs to be announced officially, but I just watched also Al Jazeera, and the chances that the president of Iran is alive is very small. Yesterday I watched late at night, Europe. Emil Kosman posted a video about it as well. Was it a drone attack, a missile, or whatever? Quite possible that it was some external forces, but there were 3 helicopters. So those other 2 helicopters, if it was a drone or a missile, why didn't they mention it immediately? That's the first thing that comes to my mind. They would have seen it. If it was a drone or a missile, that would have taken down that helicopter. So I'm not sure if that was an external. Would they not mention it immediately if that helicopter was attacked? And then there is of course another possibility. Because if that helicopter got taken down, why didn't the other 2 helicopters immediately try to land and then call in those troops? A third of the forces in Iran are mobilized according to Al Jazeera for this, the rescue teams, everything. A third. Would it not have been wiser for those 2 other helicopters to land and see if they can assist in first aid? That would have been, in my opinion, the logic. And where this helicopter is shown in this video of Al Jazeera, where it is lying, there is space for other helicopters that they would have been able to land next to it, close to it. So why didn't those 2 other helicopters stop, land there, and give first aid? Why? They continued their flight according to the report. They made it safe to the destination. There's a lot of things going on in the background, it seems. Because that's really a question I have in my mind. Why didn't those 2 helicopters then stay with the wreckage so that these troops would know where to look for it? GPS on board of those helicopters, right? They don't have this? I don't believe this. I don't believe this. If this was the transport of the president, just like you would have Air Force One or whatever, don't you think they would track that vehicle or that airplane or that helicopter? I think they would. So, to me it seems like there is a huge show going on while they already know what really happened. Unless of course that helicopter malfunctioned, then crashed. Then still, why didn't the other 2 helicopters? We are not talking about an airplane. 3 airplanes who are not able to land somewhere or to hover to see what's going on. Strange story. 3 helicopters, 1 down and the other 2 keep flying. I don't believe that for a second. We will see what will happen. We will see, but those are My questions: why didn't those two helicopters assist? Why did they continue their flight? I don't know. We will find out soon, perhaps, right? Have a nice day.